What's happening, everybody? This is Ulises. I'm over here in Jurupa Valley checking out a construction site of new builds. I'm always looking for properties for my clients. The Vega team, my team and I, we have a lot of families that are looking to buy in today's market, but unfortunately there's not a lot of inventory. So what do I do as a proactive real estate broker? I'm always looking for what's out there. What deals can we get? What properties can we purchase? Even new builds. My clients are always looking for new builds. So what do? I want to check out what the inventory is like, because there isn't much out there. So anytime I can get ahead of the competition and look at the inventory before it comes out, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm over here in beautiful Jurupa Valley, which is a portion of Riverside. It's just south of Fontana, where we have our office. So I'm going to check out the inside, but the market's definitely hot. Okay, we're back at the second level. I'm thinking this is going to be the loft. This is probably going to be the master bedroom. Oh yeah. Okay. Master bedroom. You're going to have your master bathroom. You got your shower, you got your tub. Very spacious walk-in closet. So this is where I'm at. I'm always checking out properties for our clients. We have a shortage of inventory. Interest rates are at a historic low, and a lot of buyers that have been on the fence finally decided that home ownership is the way to go. Why pay somebody else's mortgage when you can start paying your own? So this is where we're at. Big backyards. Here we are checking out another layout. So here's this beautiful home. You got the tandem garage. They're gonna be putting the tile roof pretty soon. So let's check out this one. Again, a lot of times we as realtors are not allowed at the construction site, so I had to get permission, show my real estate broker credentials so that they know that I'm not just a consumer, potentially, you know, injuring myself and suing the builder. So this is definitely the inside scoop. A lot of times consumers don't get to see this till the very end. So you got the kitchen. It's probably a formal dining room. And then you have what's gonna be I'm thinking the block wall that's gonna divide both homes. Very, very big lots. So if somebody's looking for big lots to maybe build a pool, a patio, you know, somebody that loves entertaining, a home like this would be very beneficial. I get asked a lot of times, I want to buy a new build, but what are the benefits of taking a realtor like yourself? If I go by myself, I'm probably going to get the house for cheaper. Wrong. The builder is going to sell the house at whatever price they have it. However, if I go with my buyers, I'm going to be asking questions that the builder may not necessarily expect the buyer to ask directly. What incentives do you have? What if we use your own lender? Do you offer any incentives to teachers, law enforcement, things of that nature? What incentives do you give for essential workers? I was able to get one of my buyers $2,000 incentive for being an essential worker, a teacher. So these are things that I can ask that most consumers won't. So if you go by yourself, you're not going to get the house for less, but I can negotiate on your behalf for free. The builder will pay my commission. So please, if you're thinking of buying a new build, take me with you. You don't have to pay any out-of-pocket expenses. You don't have to worry about how much is Ulysses going to charge me, because My commission is going to come from the sale of the home, the purchase of the home in your case, and the builder will pay my commission. My services to you as a potential buyer are zero.